Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to manage the Revolut Card module for your online store. Let's get started. After installing the Revolut Card module from the App Shop, head to your admin panel and open Modules, then Payment and Online. Next, select the sales channel you want to work with. In our example, we'll use the furniture sales channel. Locate the Revolut Card module, then click Edit to open the settings. In the Settings section, start by enabling the module. Simply set the status to True. Now choose the payment zone that fits your business needs. You can select None, All World, EU, or USA. Then, use the drop-down menus to set the Preparing Order Status, the Order Status, and the Canceled Order Status. After that, decide whether you want to process payments on the live production server or in the sandbox testing environment. Next, enter the production API secret key and public key provided by Revolut. You can also define the sort order to control where Revolut Card Pay appears in the list of available payment methods at checkout. Once that's done, move to the Restrictions section. Here, you can limit the availability of Revolut Card to specific customer groups, countries, or website pages. You can also enter the module name for both the backend and frontend in your preferred language. When everything looks good, click Update to save your configuration. Now let's see how Revolut Card works on the front end. Open the furniture storefront, choose a product, and add it to the basket. Go to the cart, complete the shipping form, and click Pay with Card. Select Sandbox Revolut Card as the payment method, then click Confirm and Pay. Enter your card details and click Pay to complete the transaction. After a successful payment, you'll see a confirmation page, and a confirmation email will be sent automatically. Finally, to view Revolut Card orders in the admin panel, go to Orders Customers, then open the Orders tab. Here, you'll find all Revolut Card transactions listed along with your other orders. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click like, and stay tuned for more useful tips and insights.